Hi friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video, we will discuss about Laravel authentication. Basically, authentication is using for user identification. When login, user needs to provide their username or email and password, and using these, your application will authorize and identify the user. So let's check how we can create a Laravel 8 authentication. Actually, I have installed Laravel 8 and I have run this Laravel application. So after installation, I am getting this. So these folders, app and bootstrap, config, database, whatever. And now I am going to add our authentication. In Laravel 8, we can make authentication scaffolding using the Laravel Jetstram. So we will use Laravel Jetstram to generate our scaffolding. So very simple. So just close the application. So to install authentication, we need to use composer require, and after this Laravel Jetstram, Laravel/Jetstram. Okay, just enter this. So installation process started, and you can see the version is 1.5 for Laravel Jetstram, and it's updating dependencies. Okay, so our Laravel Jetstram installed. So now we need to install liveware. To install liveware, we need to use php artisan command. So we will use php artisan jetstream. So we will install liveware using the jetstream. So we need to use php artisan jetstream, and after that install liveware. Okay, and you can see the migration created. So package manifest generated successfully and the liveware scaffolding installed successfully. So let's check what happened after installing. So just go to your directory and refresh this. So inside the app folder you will get the new folder, that is actions. So inside the actions there are two folders, that is one for Jetstream and one for Fortify. So for Fortify we have 5 things, that is creating user, password validation rules, reset user password, update user password, update user profile information. Okay, and in the Jetstream folder we will get the delete user.php. And there are some another things inside the views. So just go to the resource and go to the views. Inside the views we'll get the new folder, that is auth. So here we'll get the forget password blade, login blade, register blade, reset password blade, and two-factor challenge blade, and verify email blade. Actually this is basically used as a controller and it will be as a view. And along with this, if you check in our database folder inside the migration, we will get some new files, that is a personal access token table, create session tables, and modification of the create user table, password reset table. So let's migrate this. To migrate we need to use simply php artisan migrate. Okay, so you can see the migrations started and it's completed. So just go to our database. So localhost phpMyAdmin, and my database name is Laravel 8. So just go to inside this. So here we'll get some new tables, that is user table, session table, personal access tokens table. So the table is generated, and let's run the application. So php artisan serve. So if we refresh our application, we'll get some new things, that is the login button and register button. So if we click on the login, we'll get the email address and password, that is login from, and we will get the forget your password. That means if you add your email and click on this button, so a mail will be sent to your registered email, and we'll get some another things, that is register. So first we can register from here, and after register we can log in from this login page. Okay, so first register. So suppose I am registering, my name is Johnny and my email is johnny@gmail.com, and suppose I'm providing password 123456789, 123456789, just confirming the password and just registering. So here we can see our dashboard. So here we can see the Johnny share profile and logout button, and this is my dashboard. And if you check in the user table, a new record inserted, that is johnny@gmail.com, and this is my password and all those things. So it's a complete authentication package, and we can check our profile, that is my profile, the name and email, and we can update our password from here, and we can enable two-factor authentication, that is new for Laravel 8, and the whole theme is providing from Laravel Jetstram. And there is a browse section and delete account section, so we will get all the building things from here, and just log out here. And I have already registered my account, so we can log in from here. So just use the johnny@gmail.com, and password is 123456789. so if you can log in, so you can see the dashboard. So this is all about Laravel 8 authentication system. If you have any comments, please comment on the comment section. We can customize our authentication. We can create a multiple authentication, multi-level authentication. Suppose we have multiple type of user, that means a admin, student, a super admin, just like, then we need to modify our authentication system. So we'll learn about these things in our upcoming video. Please like and subscribe this channel for more video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.